While population explosion poses a significant threat to Earth, researchers have yet to agree on the number of people Earth can sustain. About 10,000 years ago, Earth had only a few million people. By 1800, Earth's population reached 1 billion. This number grew to 2 billion by 1920. Currently, the world's population stands at 7.3 billion. According to United Nations projections, the population could reach 9.7 billion by 2050 and 11 billion by 2100. Population growth is so rapid that we can hardly anticipate the consequences. In other words, with our current level of understanding, we don't know if Earth can accommodate a population of 11 billion. The impact of population growth on low and middle-income urban areas is relatively small due to their low consumption levels. CO2 emissions and greenhouse effects are also low. Cities in low-income countries emit less than 1 ton of CO2 per person per year. In contrast, this figure is up to 30 tons in high-income countries, Satterthwaite shared. Furthermore, many urban residents with low incomes hardly contribute to greenhouse gas emissions. However, a population of 11 billion people could strain Earth's natural resources. If low-income cities increase their consumption, the consequences would be much more severe. According to Professor Will Steffen at the Australian National University, the issue lies in the rapid increase in global consumption. This means that high-income individuals would need to restrict their spending and accept government assistance to alleviate global pressure on climate, resources, and waste. Analysis by researchers indicates that households contribute 60% of greenhouse gas emissions, using 80% of Earth's land, resources, and water. This consumption is concentrated in households in high-income countries. Even if societal structures change, we still cannot be certain if Earth can sustain a population of 11 billion. According to Steffen, we need to stabilize the global population at around 9 billion and gradually reduce birth rates. According to the United Nations Population Division, birth rates have actually decreased since the 1960s. Reducing birth rates is a way to empower women and provide them more opportunities in education and employment. Many believe that the 11 billion figure is difficult to achieve due to factors like agricultural technology, power generation, and transportation. Poverty, malnutrition, climate change, biodiversity crisis, and ocean pollution also contribute to restraining population growth. The amount of resources each person uses and technological advancements also affect Earth's maximum population. In the distant future, if humans can live beyond Earth, the human population will be much larger. However, in the immediate future, we need to change our lifestyles and improve conditions for women worldwide. Only by doing so can we estimate the maximum number of people Earth can sustain.